Today we're diving into the top 5 Unreal Engine 5 features that you need to master in 2026. Whether you're building games, cinematic worlds, or virtual experiences, these tools are must use in your project. Let's jump right into it. Feature 1. Nanite Virtualized Geometry. Nanite isn't just a feature, it's a revolution in how we build worlds. Imagine importing film quality assets straight into your project without worrying about polygon counts or optimization tricks. Nanite's virtualized geometry intelligently streams only the detail your eye can perceive, meaning you can walk through a city with billions of triangles and your system still runs buttery smooth at 60 FPS. In 2026, this isn't just about performance, it's about freedom. Freedom to focus on creativity instead of technical limits. Freedom to sculpt photorealistic open worlds where every rock, every brick, every leaf looks like it belongs in a blockbuster movie. Nanite has become the backbone of next-gen storytelling, giving creators the power to deliver realism at a scale we've never seen before. Feature 2. Lumen Dynamic Global Illumination. Lighting is everything. It sets the mood, guides the player's eye, and makes the world feel alive. That's where Lumen comes in. Unlike traditional big light maps, Lumen reacts instantly to changes in geometry and light. Picture the sun dipping below the horizon, shadows stretch, colors warm and reflections shift in real time. Or imagine opening a door in a dark corridor. The light floods in naturally, bouncing off walls and objects with breathtaking accuracy. What you see in the editor is exactly what players experience, no tricks, no compromises. In 2026, Lumen isn't just a lighting system, it's the heartbeat of immersive storytelling, giving creators the power to craft worlds that feel dynamic, responsive, and truly alive. Feature 3. World partition and data layers. Managing massive worlds used to be a nightmare, endless loading zones, duplicated maps, and performance headache. But with world partition, that's all history. This system automatically divides your map into grids and streams, only what's needed, so players can explore vast landscapes without ever hitting a loading screen. And when you combine it with data layers, the possibilities explode. You can create seamless variations of the same world, day and night cycles, destroyed versus rebuilt cities, alternate timelines, all without duplicating assets or bloating your project. In 2026, world partition isn't just a tool, it's the architect of limitless worlds, giving creators the power to design environments that feel alive, dynamic, and endlessly scalable. Feature 4. MetaHuman Creator. Characters make stories come alive, and MetaHuman is the ultimate character force. In minutes, you can generate photorealistic humans with stunning detail, from subtle facial features to natural skin textures, but it doesn't stop at appearances. Each meta-human comes fully rigged with animation-ready skeletons, meaning you can drop them straight into motion capture or AI-driven performances without extra setup. Imagine populating your cinematic project with lifelike characters who breathe, emote, and react just like real people. In 2026, MetaHuman has become the fastest way to build believable digital actors, empowering creators to focus on storytelling instead of technical roadblocks. It's not just a tool, it's a gateway to casting entire worlds with characters that feel authentic, expressive, and unforgettable. Feature 5. Chaos Physics and Niagara VFX. Explosions, destruction, and fluid simulations. Chaos Physics combined with Niagara VFX gives you blockbuster level control over reality itself. With Chaos, you can shatter buildings into thousands of dynamic fragments, simulate cloth that ripples naturally in the wind, or create vehicles that crumble under impact with breathtaking accuracy. Niagara takes it further, letting you design particle effects that rival Hollywood productions: sparks, smoke, fire, rain, even magical energy bursts, all customizable down to the tiniest detail. In 2026, this duo isn't just about spectacle, it's about immersion. Every collapse, every ripple, every spark feels alive, pulling players deeper into your world. Together, Chaos and Niagara transform your projects into cinematic experiences where physics and visual effects merge seamlessly into storytelling. So there you have it, the top 5 Unreal Engine 5 features in 2026: Nanite, Lumen, World Partition, MetaHuman, and Chaos plus Niagara. Master these and your projects will look and feel truly next gen.